Hi! In front of me is Samsung Galaxy S8 and today I would like to show you how you can download and apply Apple Layout on this Android. First of all, go into Play Store, tap on the search bar and type iOS Launcher. Following that, you need to download this free app from this developer and open it. Then click on Allow in the pop-up and choose Home button. Over here you need to click on iOS Launcher, choose Always and tap on Got it. As you can see, Apple Layout. Over here you need to click on OK or No thanks. As you can see, Apple Layout was applied successfully on this device. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment and don't forget to subscribe. Bye!